going to tell you how to use and my review on this Braun Skin Eye Expert laser hair removal at home. Did send this to me. Before I start talking about this device, I do want to let you know that I have had professional laser hair removal in the past in several body areas, and it worked phenomenal, but is extremely expensive, like completely worth the investment. Now that you can actually do it at home is completely a game changer. There's some body areas that I didn't do, and when you do get a laser hair removal, you do have to like maintain it. It's not completely permanent, but your hair does get reduced, at least for me, like 90% in the areas that you treat. Difference with the at-home laser hair removal and the professional, when I used to get it done, it was like, I think it was like every 6 weeks I went to an appointment, and with this one you have to do it every week. It does come with a little case, which I love. You're gonna get all the instructions, everything you need to know about the device. This is your IPL device. Come with several attachments, which is like phenomenal, okay? Especially if you want to treat different areas, you're gonna need different attachments. Still learning like the attachments, so I like to look in the box. It tells you exactly what attachment is for what body part. So this one is the body one. Okay, this one is for the face. Read the areas that you can treat and that you're not supposed to treat. Your chin is okay, upper lip is okay. Just make sure you're reading. You can't just go and do it wherever you have hair, okay? So this one is for the face. And then you have this one, which is for your underarms. So you have one specific one for your underarms. One, which is the last one, and this one is for your intimate area. Also get this little brush. So get this, which is so awesome. This is a this is for the face, and you actually just turn it on like this, and you can shave whatever area you're gonna treat, and that is amazing. So doing laser hair removal for the first time at home, you definitely want to invest in a good device. Definitely, because you don't want anything going wrong. So get this, which is a razor. You must shave the day that you're going to do your treatment. Must. You can't shave today and do the treatment tomorrow. It's just how it works. The day you shave is the day you do your treatment, okay? So I did my treatment on Wednesday. I did the first two on Sunday. Couldn't do it this Sunday, so I did it on Wednesday. You do to change the piece is you lift this, okay? You lift it, you put this on. See, like it has like a little hole here. So you just attach it. And this is a smart device. So you also get to download an app. I didn't download it, but it guides you. Like it tells you when are you due for a treatment, what areas you already treated, what do you missed. So let me just put this one on again and I'll show you. You get a plus and minus sign. So you get 3 different intensities. You see, that is the device on. Okay, you see that? Doing my legs, bikini area. I still haven't done my face. I don't know why, like I forget. But I really want to do my chin and I want to do my upper lip. Full leg, underarms. I'm doing maintenance because those are the areas that I treated before. So I'm doing maintenance. Bikini area. I'm doing, this is my 3rd session, which is just 3 weeks. And I can already see the hair coming through, but like patchy. So there's some areas where the hair is no longer growing, which is amazing because you can see the results. So that makes you want to keep doing it because you know it's working. So that's why I wanted to do the video like after I used it at least like more than once, so I can tell you like, oh yeah, this works. I actually see. Highly recommend this brand. It's gonna make a difference on how fast you get your hair growth reduced. Read the instructions. You do not want to get burned. You can't tan. There's absolutely no tanning while you're doing the laser, okay? Just to do the laser hair removal in the comfort of your own home, especially if you're doing private areas. You don't want people to see. You feel so shy, embarrassed, even though that's nothing to them because they do it like every day. It's nothing. But if you feel super uncomfortable, you can't just then do it, you know? The only thing, you have to do it weekly, not like every 5 weeks. It's not gonna work like that, okay? So commit to it. It works. Do your research on what body areas you can treat, what you can't treat, okay? And stay away from the sun. Use SPF. And I'm so happy I got to use this device. See if I can link it for you below.